Hey y'all, I'm James Farmer, author and designer. I want to talk to you a little bit about making a bow for a wreath. Wreaths themselves, they're beautiful, but sometimes, like a cake, you need a good icing. So I'm going to show you how to make two of my favorite kind of bows for a wreath. I'm using just a simple grapevine wreath, which looks good all year round. But the two materials that I'm using are raffia and just a traditional ribbon. Now, I like to use raffia because I love the natural color and the texture of it, and I think raffia looks good with just about anything. That neutral color, and it's also readily available at just about any craft store. So raffia comes in strings. It comes in strings about 2 to 3 feet long. By the time you tie them together in a little bow, you'll have something like this. This may not be a big enough bow for your wreath. That's why you have to be a little bit creative and think about how big of a bow do you need for your wreath. Now, as for me, I don't like too fancy of a bow. I like a simple knot or just a simple ribbon. I tie this bow just like I would tie my shoes. So however you learned, whether it's the rabbit and the ear and whatever loop and hole he's going through, that's how I'd tie this bow. But for a more elegant look, I may do something like a knot. So what I'll do is I'll take some raffia, and I'll take this raffia and I'll tie it together. So I've got tie it together at one end. So I've got a nice thick piece here, and I've started another piece as well here. What I'll do is I'll continue to tie them together and bind them here in the center, and I'll make one big raffia bow, more so like a raffia knot. So I've tied them here together, secured them. You can use a little bit of wire if you'd really like to, but then I'm going to tie the big bow here. Now, when people think bow, sometimes they think real frilly, or they may think real fancy. In this case, this is very simple, and I still think it's very elegant. The simplicity of it, to me, is what makes it elegant. So I'm going to tie them again here, and I'm going to be able to have a much better bow than I would with just this little single strand of raffia. All right, here we go. 1, 2. I'm going to tie a knot, similar to like I would when I'm tying my shoes. And then we'll have us a raffia bow here before long. All right, here's one knot. And then I'm going to loop this around for the second knot. And that kind of gives me a knotted bow here on this raffia wreath. Very easy, like I said, like a double knot, like when you're tying your shoes, but it's also simple and elegant. Now, I left a longer piece right here that I can always cut to have some streamers, but it's just a simple raffia bow on a simple grapevine wreath. You can use the scissors to cut to have any length that you want from there out, and this is also a great way to hang your wreath because then you've got a knot on the back that you can secure it. I usually like to hang the wreath, though, by itself when hanging it. So anyways, that's how to tie a raffia bow for a wreath. You can use the same method to use ribbon. Be sure to use a ribbon with some wire. And I hope y'all can make a raffia bow real soon for your very own wreath. I'm James Farmer. Thank you for coming.